Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the integration guys. So we are having this form guys. So we can write here I is equal to limit is 0 tends to pi by 2 and we can write here the sin square x. We are having the sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square, right, dx. And guys, we know that sin square x is equal to, we can write here 0 tends to pi by 2 and we can write here what sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, right, cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx, and it is in the form of a square minus b square, you can say guys, right. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write here 0 tends to pi by 2 and in the numerator we can write here the 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, right, 1 plus cos x dx by 1 plus cos x whole square, right. And when we cancel out 1 with 1 guys, and we are having this equation, and we know that we can apply here two formula guys. We know that 1 minus cos x equal to we know that 2 sin x by 2, and 1 plus cos x equal to, we can write here 2 cos x by 2, right. Okay, are you getting my points what I am saying guys? So you can directly say that I is equal to, you can write here I is equal to integration of 0 tends to pi by 2, okay, right. So this is the formula guys, okay, and we can write here the 2 sin x by 2 divided by 2 cos x by 2 dx. So we can cancel out and we can write here directly. It is a very simple guys. What we can write here, we know that 0 tends to pi by 2, okay, and we can write here the term is what, the term is tan x by 2 dx, right. So we know that what is the value of tan x, so you can simply write here the minus log cos x, right. So what is the coefficient of x is present here, so you can directly minus 1 by 2, right, and you can write here minus 1 by 2 and log cos x by 2, right. And now you have to put the limits of the given limits in the given function guys, right. So minus 1 by 2 and after putting the pi by 2, so it will become cos pi by 4, right. So we can write here the log cos pi by 4, okay, and minus log cos 0, right. Are you getting my points? So now it is the 0 guys. So now you can write here the minus 1 by 2 log cos pi by 4, it means 1 by root 2, you can write here. So minus 1 by 2 and log 1 by root 2 minus log 1, right, you can say, and log 1 is equal to 0, so you can directly write here, on the minus 1 by 2 log minus 1 by 2 log what, we can write here log 1 by root 2, so it will be the correct answer guys, right. Are you getting my points? So thank you, best of luck, see you in the next class guys.